Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to two-hand in PC. Now, you just press Control, scroll wheel up, and you will two-hand a weapon. That's so easy. Scroll wheel down, and two-hand back. Like that. It's that easy. Then Control again. You can pick what you want to two-hand, so you can just two-hand that. Just scroll up or down depending on what you want to, two-hand. If you want to two-hand right, scroll up. If you want to two-hand left, scroll down. It's really important for you to learn how to two-hand or one hand, because some of the weapon relics do rely on them. So I have here improve stagger while two-handing. So I am using welder here, and I am two-handing him to improve stagger, so I can stagger more enemies. But if you're using a weapon loot that says while wielding two ornaments, that means that you need to hold one weapon on the right hand and one other thing on the left hand. So it means you don't need to two-hand to improve your attack. There's also the other one that improves, two-handing also. The two-handing and stance breaking are two different things. So you need to learn how to equip them on your specific build. As my friend here, look, he has two ornaments. He has a two ornament build, so he's using that to boost his damage, while I'm using a two-handing skill, so I'm holding just one weapon and while using two hands to hold it. So yeah guys, that's my video for today. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.